Hello, my friends. Another severe case of a dog with horrible burns. Volunteers rescued a dog from the highway. At first glance, the wound seemed small, but after the hair was removed, the vets saw a terrible burns. Luckily, we got there in time and the dog can be saved. The wounds have been treated and the dog is receiving medication and painkillers. The dog turned out to be a very kind and I am really hope we can help him. The treatment will be a long time coming. Thank you for your help and support. I will keep you posted. Goodbye.